A ground source heat pump system works rather like a fridge in reverse. It simply harnesses the background heat from underneath the ground via a system of pipes that can either be laid vertically or horizontally, and then transfers that heat back to a gas which boils because of the heat coming into it. The boiling gas is squashed using a compressor. As you squash the gas, it gets very hot, and that heat is then transferred to a large body of water which is able to be passed through a distribution system just like normal radiators or an underfloor heating system. In having a ground source heat pump installed, the first thing to think about is to have an area to put the pipes to collect the heat from underneath the ground. This might, for a conventional house, be an area of perhaps 500 to 600 square metres, essentially a reasonably sized normal lawn. We'll put the ground collector loop, as it's called, underneath the ground via a series of trenches installed to a depth of about 1.2 metres. But once that's done, the ground is reinstated and you can then do pretty much what you want on that afterwards. The plant itself for the heat pump is rather akin to an electric fridge freezer in most installations. For that, we would want an area in something like a utility room, or it can be a building adjacent to the house that you want to heat. Once the heat pump's installed, because it does work at a slightly lower flow temperature than a conventional boiler, we may sometimes need to enhance some of your radiators. Usually though, that only means putting in something that's perhaps a little bit deeper than the radiator you've used previously. Overall though, the system is very easy to install, and we would normally expect on most domestic installations to be, certainly as far as the internal works are concerned, in and out in a matter of a week. And even the groundworks outside are normally able to be completed in a space of not much more than 4 or 5 days.